How to fix snipping tool not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is the issue which I am facing. If you want its solution, then watch this video till the end. Friends, whenever I use snipping tools, I face an error. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So it is a very big issue for me. So first of all, what you need to do, first of all, you need to click on Windows button. You need to type snipping tool. Right click on this and type on run as administrator. Try to use this. If it does not work, then move to the next step. The next step is to relaunch snipping tool. You need to right click here and click on task manager. You can see in processes, you can see snipping tool. You can just click on end task and try to restart a snipping tool and see whether it is working or not. You can also restart your PC for the better functionality. The next method is to update your graphic drivers. If you have outdated or corrupted graphic drivers, then you may face this issue. So whether you are using NVIDIA or AMD or any other graphic driver, you need to ensure that you have an updated driver, so you can use your any online software and you can easily install the driver on your PC. The next method is to update your operating system. You can go for Windows updates. There are so many updates which are missing, and that sometimes also cause this issue. So you can go to Windows update simply and you can see which all are updates missing, and you can simply update your Windows to the latest version. So you can see these are the updates which I have to install. I will install all of them. Simply you can also install all the updates on your PC. The next method is to open command prompt. Right click on this and select run as administrator. Herein you need to paste this command dcim space online clear up image and restore HEA restore health. So you can simply type this command. Once you are done with this, make sure to restart your PC and check whether snipping tool is working or not. If it does not work, you can uninstall snipping tool app and try to reinstall a snipping tool app and see whether it's working or not. I hope this video is helpful for you, friends. In case you find this video useful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for the similar technical videos. Bye bye friends, take care.